Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, children, good afternoon. Different today?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Good afternoon. Can you see the passage on your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very short passage. Then I'll share the questions with you. Okay? Very, very short. Only this much. Read the passage. It's a simple passage. Read it. Then be ready for the answers.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. Can I rejoin?
Yes, Peter. Do it. Others can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Peter. You'll have to scroll now. You'll have to shift towards left. Then it will be visible.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Read the passage quickly, beta. Those who finish reading will raise their hands so that I get an idea as to how many are ready.
Ma'am, Jigyasa is asking to let her in.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Jigyasa is asking to let her in.
Beta, I've already let her in and now the meeting is logged automatically. It's 6 now,
Good
12:06.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jigyasa. After 5 minutes, it gets logged automatically. So I've already admitted. After this, it will not be possible for me to admit anyone because automatically it gets logged after 5 minutes. Finish reading. When are you finished? Now you give a suitable title to the passage. Think and give me a suitable title.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep raising your hands, those who are confident and have read. You don't have to learn beta. You have to just get the main points of what is. Isa, suggest a suitable title for the passage.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Gargi, you too, beta. Suggest a
Film industry of India.
and Puneet also, all four of you. And we'll see who is close. Pavni is also done. Who is closest to what the passage says? We have 5 hands raised. Let's start with Naina first. Yes, Naina. Have you planned your title? Okay, you can think. All 5 of you, whoever is ready, please tell me. And then the class will decide out of these 5 which was the best title, which suits the most. All 5 of you be ready. And then we'll ask you. Whoever is ready can speak.
Ma'am, the film industry of India.
Okay. Film industry of India. Fine. One title we have already got.
Ma'am,
Yes, we are ready.
introduction of films.
Introduction to films. Puneet has come up with it. Okay, fine. Film industry in India. Introduction to films. Good. Others?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Please speak.
Films and entertainment or reality.
Films and what did you say, bache?
Ma'am, I said films and entertainment or reality.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
The film industry, its pros and cons.
Film industry pros and cons.
The era of films and entertainment.
Okay, good. Wonderful titles. All of them very apt, very suitable. Good. Because here is generally where you lose your marks, but I'm happy to see that all of you have given good titles. And now this. Plan your answers, children, for these 4 questions and let me discuss the answers with you. Is there anyone who would like to
Ma'am,
suggest?
only
Viresh? Yes.
Ma'am,
Viresh,
do
you
we
had.
need to write these as well?
No, you can plan it orally. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Viresh. What is your title?
Ma'am, I told just now.
Acha, हाँ, Viresh, I thought we
The
told your
film
hand was.
industry, pros and cons.
Yes, yes. Somebody else had raised hand. Daksh Kumar. Yes, Daksh. Daksh. Invisible man. Daksh Kumar. Devansh, would you suggest some title? Devansh, suggest some title. What happened? Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Hmm. One by one, at least suggest some titles. Jigyasa, Himanshu, Devansh, Naman. What happened, Samath, Apurva? Why don't you all suggest some title for this passage? Hurry up, Peter. Yes, Jigyasa.
Ma'am, the title was same as Puneet.
What is this? Title was same as Puneet, but at least speak out now.
Ma'am, the introduction of films.
Introduction of films. Chalo, theek hai, but this is not very apt. This is not very suitable because we are not only talking about introduction. We are talking about the present era. We have talked about the film Jodha Akbar and everything. So it is not exactly introduction. We are not starting with the part. But theek hai, it's okay. Yes.
Era of film industry.
Era of film industry. Yes, we can take that, Himanshu. Apurva, Devansh, come on.
Ma'am, films, the mode of entertainment.
Film, the mode of entertainment. Perfect. Fine enough. Well done. Yes, who else? Puneet.
And the real cinema.
The real cinema. This is also nice. Good. Who is left? Apurva Kohli.
Ma'am, revolution in the film industry.
Revolution in films. Okay, fine. Yes, you feel there's revolution in films. Very good. Is there anyone who's left? Nobody? Okay, let's come to the answers now. You all have read? Tell me the answer to the first question.
Ma'am, option B, introduction.
Option B,
Option B,
introduction
introduction
of
of
films.
films.
B, introduction of film.
Very
Option
good.
B.
Second, good. Second one.
Ma'am, option A, choice of common people.
Yes,
Option
ma'am.
Option A, choice of common people.
Choice of common people.
The choice of common people. What is the third one?
Option C, commercially viable.
Commercially viable.
Commercially viable.
Commercial viable.
Commercial level
Very-
valuable.
The fourth one is a little confusing. Tell me.
Ma'am, both A and B.
Both A and
Ma'am,
B.
Both A and B, the C option.
Both A and B.
Very- Tell me the fifth one.
Ma'am, here
I'll
what's
just-
the real meaning of charm?
Wait, I'll just scroll it down.
Ma'am, here what's the meaning of charm?
Charm means attraction, basically. The
Okay, ma'am.
main thing. Just let me scroll down. Give me 1 second. The screen has gone. Just give me 1 second. Let me share it with you again. Yes. Yes, Rita. What is the answer to the fifth one? Rita Akbarwala. Yes.
Ma'am, option B, 30%.
Ma'am,
30%.
option B, 30%.
Ma'am, 30%.
Option B, 30%.
Yes. You agree that it is option B, 30%. Very good. This was a direct question, huh? Just 1 second.
Yes.
Ma'am, Japan.
Ma'am,
Just 1
option
second. Yes, it is
Option
Japan.
C is Japan.
Yes. Next one, quickly, sir. The dash aspect of films put unlimited constraint on filmmakers.
Ma'am, the commercial aspect.
Excellent. Commercial.
From the
Yes.
commercial aspect.
Very
of
good.
Commercial
very
aspects.
Last one. True or false?
True.
True.
Sure.
True.
Ma'am, I think false.
It is false. It is false, Peter.
False. That is
Yes, it is false. They cannot distort history. They do distort, Peter. They do change history. So we say this is false. We are not saying cannot because they actually do it. Well done. I
Ma'am,
think
but
you-
they should not
But the word
distort
is
the history.
But they should
the
not.
word is not should.
Yes, ma'am, but they should not.
Of course, they should not. But the question was related to can or cannot. Yes, Peter. Passage 2 on your screens. Read quickly. Plan a suitable title. Raise your hands. Hurry up. Raise your hands, whoever is ready. Viresh, Gargi, and Naina, one by one, suggest your title.
Ma'am, students in politics are boom or bane.
Politics and the youth.
Some strange relation of student and politics.
And
Relation relation between students and politics.
politics and evil are
Speak the title, Rita.
And the strange relation of students and politics.
Oh, this is such a
Relation
long.
between students and politics.
Make it short, make it short. Brief. Title has to be brief.
politics and evil are not.
Ma'am, students in politics.
Politics and the young future of the
Politics and
country.
students.
Politics including student opinion.
Politics
Politics
and the young Politics and the young future of the country.
Politics and young future.
And politics in youth life.
Politics and the youth.
Yes, this is fine. Politics and the youth life is also okay. We
Yes,
got
ma'am.
some good titles. Yes. These are very simple passages and very relevant ones. Plan your answers quickly. Then I'll ask you after 2 minutes. Plan your answers. Those who are ready, raise your hands. Those who finish, raise your hands. Hurry up, beta. Always these 6-7 hands will be raised. What are others doing in the class? Yes, beta. Start the answers. Tell me the first one.
Ma'am, it should be D.
Ma'am, it should be D.
Ma'am, option B.
Anyone has a difference in opinion? Everybody agrees with the answer. Fine. ठीक है. चलिए. Move on to the next one.
Ma'am, option C, agitation.
Option C. Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am, option C.
Agitation.
Fine, fine. Next one.
Ma'am, option D, general
Option D, general welfare of the
General
state.
welfare of the state.
Very good. Everybody agrees with the same answer. So obviously it is correct. Next.
B,
Ma'am,
relation
option
between
B,
students and
relation
politics.
between
students and
and
politics.
Students and politics.
Again, everybody has the same opinion. So obviously it is correct. Yes. Next.
Ma'am, option C,
Produces
produces definite
definite
Option
results.
C produces
Definite result.
definite result.
Which one? Which one?
C.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am, option
Option
A.
C produces definite results.
Produces definite results. This one now?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one, the C one.
Ma'am, option A.
Yes. C beta. C is the better answer. Tell me the last one.
Ma'am, it's not completely visible.
Yes, ma'am. Option C is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
visible.
Wait, I'll just scroll down now. Just give me 1 second. I'll just scroll down now. Let me make it clear to you. Give me 1 second. Tell me the sixth one.
Ma'am, I think option B, harmful for the state.
Chalo, we'll wait for others as well. Others also, please plan your answer for 6, 7, 8.
Harmful for the state.
Harmful
do
for
one.
the state.
Beta, hold on.
Beneficial for the state.
Hurry. I'm saying, hold on. Plan your answers for the last 3 questions. We'll discuss them together only. Hurry up, dear. Hurry up. How many are ready? Just raise your hands. Let me see how much of the class percentage is done. Oh, that is a good number. Fine. Now tell me the sixth one.
Ma'am, option B, harmful for the
Ma'am,
state.
harmful for the state.
I don't think this is the correct answer. Any other options? Please, I'll go back. I'll show you the passage once again. This answer is wrong. Please check out with the answer again. I'm showing you the passage. I hope you've understood the question. Agitation is sometimes. Yes, please read. Now tell what is the answer.
Ma'am, beneficial for the state.
Perfect, perfect. It is beneficial for the state. Very good. How did you guess this answer? Which line gave you the clue? Yes.
Ma'am, in the second para, the author is given the definition that it relates to the general welfare of the state. That's why.
Please
Yes, very
justify
good.
how it should be beneficial for the state.
That is what she told you just now. Listen again. She shared it with you. I'm going back to the passage. Gargi, share it. How did you get this idea? You have to read between the lines, beta. Everything not directly will be mentioned. Yes, Gargi, come up. Let's see if you can justify them. How did you get this answer?
Ma'am, in the second para, first line, the author has written that the broadest definition that I think of politics is that it is a science concerned with the means of promoting the general welfare of the state. And then in the third para, he has said that politics is concerned with education. So I guess that education is equal to general welfare.
Exactly, beta. Perfect. See, the broadest definition I think of politics is that it is a science concerned with the means of promoting the general welfare. What he's trying to say is politics actually means what? A science which takes care of the general welfare of the people. This is how he's defined politics. And then he says politics means agitation. So that in the second paragraph, he's saying it is useful. If you see it is written general welfare over here, he's defining politics as a general welfare. And then he's telling politics is agitation. That means agitation is for welfare of the state. It is beneficial for the state. So don't always plan your answers from first paragraph only. You may have to link two paragraphs. Very well done, Gargi. Good girl. Chali, last two questions are left quickly. 5 minutes late for the class to get over. Hurry up. Be very careful.
At all events.
I'm wrong.
Ma'am,
At
wrong.
all events.
False.
What did you say? Everybody is having a different answer. I'm not even able to make out. Yes, what did you say? Author is of the
In
that
this,
added. Hmm?
wrong.
Wrong.
Ma'am, wrong.
I'm wrong.
Where is this? Where did you find this?
On fourth paragraph.
Ma'am, in the
Second line.
ma'am, fourth para, second line.
Fourth para, second line.
Yes, perfect. Done. Okay. Next one. The last one.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false. False. False.
What made you decide this answer? False.
Ma'am, it's given in the first para.
Ma'am, first paragraph.
Yes, it is given where in the first paragraph. Can you read out the line for me? I'm just scrolling up. Hold on. Yes, one of you read out. How did you get this answer?
Ma'am, can you just scroll like up?
Okay, beta. This is the passage that we were doing. Yes. Tell me which line made you decide this question?
Ma'am, from the first to second line, that like those who believe that the students should, as a matter of duty, take part in politics.
Yes,
Those
beta.
who
You
are of the opinion that they should.
yes, if you see, bache, right in the beginning, they have told you that how many kind of people are there? There are two classes of people in India. One who believe that students should, as a matter of duty, take part in politics. Okay. What is your opinion?
And
Two
they should
belong.
not.
They should not
They
take
should.
politics. Okay. They should and they should not. Both of you, please justify your opinion. I also feel they should take part in politics because the general perception of politics, what we have in India, is not actually politics. Beta. Politics is all about cooperation and decision making. But because our politicians have made a dirty mess out of it, so the first thing which comes to our mind is that it's a very dirty game. So students should stay away from it. But if we see the positive aspect of politics, what is politics? A political party is made. That means we are all working together for some common ideals. We are all coming under one flagship. We learn how to obey to others. We learn to live in unity. We have some certain ideals and some certain motives that yes, we are going to do this. Of course, let's not talk about the present politicians who keep changing their political party only every day. They themselves don't know in their political career how many parties have they changed. There are so many who do not even have a fixed, manifesto for elections. So that is why this politics looks like a horrible aspect for all of us, and we say it's better to keep away. Yes, this was my opinion. If it is good, nice, healthy politics, then it teaches you leadership. Yes, children, can we have a discussion?
Yes, ma'am. In this, our leadership qualities they build up. How to tackle with all every situation and be cooperative for all.
Very good, very good, very, very nice. Yes, others, any opinion about politics in India?
Ma'am, if
Politics.
students participate in politics, then they could learn how to like be a leader, and then in future,
Ma'am,
as
politics.
they only have to shape the future of the country, so they could lead to a better government.
Yes, exactly.
Ma'am,
Very good.
politics teaches us many moral values like diplomacy.
Very good. And what I personally feel is if students are into politics, at least we'll have literate, educated leaders. Otherwise, in India, we have people who don't even know how to sign. Totally illiterate people who become political leaders, who fight elections, all goons over there. So at least if students are there, they are at least educated. So their decisions will certainly be better than these illiterate people. Anyone who is against this? That students should not waste their time and all? Something like this? So everybody agrees?
Ma'am,
That
I
yes,
am against it.
okay, give me your reason for being against it. Bolo beta.
Ma'am, because politics is now becoming a dirty game in each and every country. And ma'am, if
Yes,
children
yes, if
being
you see,
innocent and come in such environment, they
Hmm.
can.
if you see, he's also right, beta. The right spirit of politics nowhere exists now. In almost all the countries now, you see what happened in Afghanistan. Okay, one example before you. See, politics. What is that? That is again politics. What America has done is what? It's dirty politics. You think America did correct? Leaving the Afghanis like this?
No, ma'am.
Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Do you even know they were there for how many years? Americans in Afghanistan, the American army soldiers. For the last how many years they were in Afghanistan? Tell me. Does anyone know? Beta, it's been for 20 years.
Yes.
See, for last 20 years they have been there. And now when they left, it was not even 20 minutes that they took to decide. Okay, we just have 1.5 minutes since we are talking about all the concept and the topic is all about politics. In the present scenario, present era, okay, talk about your favorite politician. Speak. I'm talking about the present politician. Speak quickly. Start. We just have 1 minute for the class to left. Yes, hurry up. Please start speaking. I'm talking about the contemporary. Hurry up, hurry up. We don't have time. Contemporary leaders, contemporary
Ma'am,
political
my
leaders.
favorite is the President of New Zealand.
President of New Zealand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any specific reason? Bolo beta.
Ma'am, she controlled coronavirus very significantly in the country, and like now there are no active cases, and she also like not other politicians. She goes to the people, visits them, and knows their
That's
problems.
What is her name? That's really nice.
Ma'am, her name is Jacinda, and I don't know the surname.
Okay, very nice. Very nice.